Midday News is brought to you by DOGRA A1 Digital Hearing Aid Center Jammu, offering special discounts for the senior citizens and reimbursement schemes for the government employees. National Conference President Farooq Abdullah on Sunday requested Prime Minister Narendra Modi to restore 4G mobile internet service in Jammu and Kashmir, as he highlighted various problems due to the lack of facility and the harsh winter in the Union Territory. He prayed for the success of COVID-19 vaccine and urged people to maintain communal harmony and brotherhood at all costs for all over prosperity and development. Arun Gupta has been elected as new president of Jammu Chamber Commerce Industry and Gaurav Gupta as Secretary General. The elections for the office bearers of the Jammu Chamber of Commerce and Industry was held at the Government College of Women, Gandhinagar, Jammu, under the supervision of retired Judge Suresh Kumar Sharma, receiver appointed by the court. He was also acting as returning officer for the prestigious chamber elections. Out of the total 2,209 votes, 2,086 were polled. Lieutenant Governor Manoj Singh on Sunday met leaders and heads of several deputations belonging to the various political parties and associations at Raj Bhavan, Jammu. Lieutenant Governor, while interacting with deputation, gave a patient hearing and assured the visiting deputation that all the genuine demands would be looked into earnestly for their readdressal on merit. Hundreds of farmers on Sunday staged a rally in support of the revocation of new agricultural laws, even as the police briefly detained the main organizer along a nearly half a dozen of his supporters in Jammu. The tractor rally was led by District Development Council member Taranjeet Singh Tony. He was later released and the rally ended peacefully. Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh on Sunday said the recently introduced electronic pension payment order is promising the ease of living for senior citizens. Referring to some of the reforms introduced in the Ministry of Personnel, he said that the Department of Pension and Pensioners Welfare in the ministry was often at the receiving end of the complaints from senior citizens about the original copies of their pension payments order getting misplaced. Singh said a number of reforms have been introduced to bring ease of living and convenience in the lives of pensioners. A western disturbance would hit the two union territories of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh from January 22nd, and its effect will be likely to last till 25th forenoon. The disturbance is likely to cause fairly widespread to light to moderate rainfall in the plains of Jammu during the dates, with its main impact taking place on January 24th. Jammu and Kashmir recorded 126 new COVID-19 cases on Sunday that pushed the infection tally to 1,23,343. No COVID-19 death took place in the last 24 hours. Out of the new cases, 61 were from Jammu Division and 65 from the Kashmir Division. The number of active cases dropped to 1,224 in the Union Territory, while 1,20,198 patients have recovered so far from the infection. India reported 13,788 new COVID-19 cases and 145 deaths in the last 24 hours, as per the Union Health Ministry on Monday. The daily new cases have been below 20,000 for the past 11 days. The cumulative case load in the country reached 1,571,773, including 2,08,012 active cases. With 14,457 new recoveries, the number of recovered patients climbed to 1,211,342. The deaths in India due to COVID-19 mounted to 1,52,419.